In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a website with Constant Contact. We are going to focus specifically on creating a landing page, because landing pages are one of the most direct ways to collect signups, promote an offer, and guide visitors toward a clear next step. To begin, open Constant Contact and navigate to the main menu where you can find your available tools. From there, go to Channels. This is where Constant Contact groups marketing features together, including pages and forms. Once you are in Channels, look for the option for landing pages. That is the area where you can create new pages and manage the ones you already have. Now that you are on the landing pages screen, you are ready to create something new. Click Create a Landing Page. Take a moment to notice what options appear next, because Constant Contact usually gives you a few choices for how you want the page to be set up. This choice matters since it controls how much customization you will have and what kind of starting layout you will begin with. Next, select Custom Landing Page. This tells Constant Contact that you want to build a page using your own content and your own design direction, rather than using a very limited pre-built option. After selecting Custom Landing Page, you should see the flow move you forward into choosing a starting layout or template. A template is helpful because it gives you structure right away, and you only need to adjust text, images, and sections. When you reach the template selection, choose a template, then select it by clicking Select. For this part, do not worry too much about choosing the perfect design at first. Templates mainly provide the page layout and section arrangement. You can still update the content and adjust what is shown on the page later. Once the template is chosen, you will be taken to the editor where you can build the landing page. Now you will add your text, images, buttons, and sections. Start with the text because that is usually the core message visitors will read. Replace any placeholder copy with your own headline, description, and supporting details. Next, add your images. Try to make sure your images match the purpose of your landing page, such as showing a product, a service, or a visual that supports your message. As you work, also customize buttons. Buttons are important because they create a clear call to action, which helps visitors know what to do next. Make sure the button text and the action it triggers align with your goal, such as signing up or learning more. Then add or adjust sections as needed. Sections let you include multiple parts of information on one page, such as benefits, details, and any other content that supports conversions. After you have updated the content to your satisfaction, click Continue. This step usually moves you from editing the page content into the next stage of setup, where Constant Contact can review what you created and prepare it for publishing or activation. At this point, it is a good idea to pause briefly and make sure everything looks correct, because activation is the step that makes the page live for visitors. Finally, click Activate. Activating is what turns your landing page from a draft into a functional page that can be accessed by your audience. When you activate, Constant Contact will typically make the page available and connect it to the necessary settings so people can view it as intended. That covers everything you need to know. You have created a custom landing page in Constant Contact by choosing a template, adding your content, continuing to the next stage, and activating it when you are ready. And that is all there is to it.